Welcome back! I have a new pair of wireless earbuds I'm going to show you today. These are the Haylou MoriPods, true wireless earbuds. These earbuds feature the Qualcomm 3040 chip and have a 24-hour playtime with the charging case or 6 hours outside of the case. So let's open them up. This is the box that it comes in. On the side it mentions the Qualcomm 3040, dual microphones HD call, smart touch control, Type-C charging, and IPX4 waterproof and dustproof. So this is what they look like. We have the, I would say, black, almost very dark navy color. I'm going to open those in a moment. There is an information booklet at the bottom and the charging cable. I already opened the box and did charge the earbuds, but as I said earlier, they do use a Type-C charger. The instructions, they tell you how to pair with your phone, which I'll do in a moment, power on, how to charge, how to wear them, and just an overview. So this is what they look like. They're very, very similar to Apple AirPods if you are an Apple person. I don't have an iPhone. But these are different. The charge time is about 2 hours, and I'm going to actually set them up now. Alright, so when you take the earbuds out and open up your settings and go to Bluetooth, they will be under available devices. I am using an Android device, so this is how this is going to work. Hopefully I don't believe it's anything different for Apple, but I just picked Haylou MoriPods. Pair with them, yes. And they're paired. That was quick, easy. Yeah, very quick and easy. All you have to do is open them up, and they would come up in your Bluetooth options, and then you click it. For me, it does tell me how much battery percentage is left, but that's just my Android phone that does that. Oh, on the top of them, they have little lights, and it shows that they're charging. And it did disconnect because they're charging now. I don't have them out. But funny story, I did have the nice Samsung Pod earphones. Unfortunately, after coming back from getting food in the gym, they magically disappeared. Now, I don't know what happened with them between then. I don't like losing things, but I'm hoping, and I believe that these will be a great substitute for the pair I did lose. They're small, they're convenient, they're also sleek in design. I really like them so far. If you want to see what they look like in your ear, I'll show you. It's very easy to put them in, they're very comfortable, and if you do need any sort of help figuring out which side is which, they do let you know, as this one goes in your right ear. As you can see, that's how you put them in. It does show you in the instruction manual just in case you are unsure. And this one comes on this side. These are very, very comfortable. They fit right in your ear, and I would run with them a lot, my old pair, and so I don't see these falling out nearly as often. The second that I pulled them out of the case, I used Spotify, and Spotify did start playing, so that was very convenient. And they're very, very comfortable. I will say one of the downsides, well, Side note, I did just learn if you press it, it pauses the music because music kept playing while I was trying to talk. If you pause it and touch it again, music starts playing. So if you want some basic functions for the earphones, there is a list of them on how to touch them and do the right thing. Short touch is to pause play music, which I just discovered. Double touch, the left one, you can skip backwards. Double touch, the right one, you can skip forwards. Short touch, the button, if you have an incoming call, will answer it. These do have mics, so you can use them to answer phone calls. Long touch, for about 1.5 seconds, will hang up a phone call or reject a call. Triple touch will activate your voice assistant. Those are the functions. Very easy. I will say I mostly am going to use it to pause, play music, maybe skip something. I'm not probably going to answer a phone with these in, but we'll see. You never know what happens. But I'm very excited for them. So far from the songs that I have so far listened here today, sound quality is great. Definitely enjoy that. It's something I do look for in earphones. I'm very happy with these. We appreciate your likes and comments, so make sure you do hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more reviews, and thanks for watching.